Okay. Let's take a look. This disc brake rotor is your front brake rotor. And it goes with this bag of screws. We're going to take the front wheel and we're going to take this little package of bolts and dump it out. It has some extra plastic things, and these are what we really don't need. Some bikes take them, some bikes don't. Now we're going to take this rotor, and if we look at the rotor, we'll see that it has arrows, and the arrows have a rotation. So we're going to put them so the arrows are out, because this will rotate that way. Then we're going to take our Torx driver and our 6 bolts, and you can start the bolts in just a little bit by hand so they don't fall out. Now these bolts have some green material on them that's like a Loctite, so they never come out. And I'll put them all in here. This is a little time consuming, but it's not that bad. So once they're all stuck in there, I'll put the Torx in and I'll just turn them in. But because it's sticky, I have to use 2 hands and it doesn't go very fast. But that's okay. If you feel resistance, it's all right. It's so it doesn't back out by itself. So I'll tighten one all the way down to keep that rotor still. It kind of centers itself because there's 6 bolts. And then I'll go across from it and tighten the next one. I'll just keep doing this until they're all tight. Okay, so that's all 6 of them.